All right, so the directions say to find the perimeter and area of each figure. Here we have a triangle. It is a right triangle. And we know two sides of it. We know that the base is 4 and that the hypotenuse is 18. We need to figure out the third side. So to do that, we're going to use the Pythagorean Theorem. So we're going to say 4 squared plus x squared equals 18 squared, because remember, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Leg squared plus leg squared equals hypotenuse squared. When we do that, we get 16 plus x squared is equal to 324. We want to solve for x, so we're going to subtract 16 from both sides. We get that x squared is equal to 308. The inverse of squaring a number is taking the square root. So we're going to take the square root, and we get that x is equal to 17.5 meters. Now that we know the length of this third side, we can find the area and the perimeter of the triangle. So the area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 times base times height. So that's going to be 1/2 times 4, because that's the base, times 17.5, that is the height. When we do that, we get that the area is equal to 35 meters squared, because remember, area is square units. And then perimeter, remember perimeter is the distance around the outside of a figure. So here, to find the perimeter of the triangle, we're just going to add up all three sides of the triangle. So 18 plus 4 plus 17.5, perimeter gives us 39.5 meters.